Hello. The purpose of this podcast is to show you the color code we use in class. The color code will train our students the correct stroke order. The first stroke is written in red. The second stroke is written in yellow. The third stroke is written in blue. And the fourth stroke is written in green. If a Chinese character has a fifth stroke, then we go all the way back to red. And if a character has a sixth stroke, then we go down to yellow, and then the seventh stroke will be blue, so on and so forth. Now, let me show you how to write a four-stroke character. As you can see, I have red, yellow, blue, and green colors here, and then I click on red to write the first stroke. So I go first stroke, and then I click on the yellow to write my second stroke. I'm sorry, it's a little bit ugly. And then I click on blue to write my third stroke. And lastly, I click on green to write my fourth stroke. Now, excuse the ugly character, but this is the Chinese character 5. And students will use the 4 different colors to show that they know the correct stroke order. Now, let me show you a character that has 5 strokes. So I start off with red, and I go down. Oops, let me erase. Okay, so this character has 5 strokes. So the first stroke is in red, and second stroke is in yellow. Now, this stroke actually has 2 parts. As you can see, it goes horizontal and then vertical again. I will talk about the different types of strokes in another podcast. Now, the third stroke will be in blue. So I click on blue and I write that stroke. And then the fourth stroke, it will be in green. So I go like that. And now for the fifth stroke, I go back to red. And I click on it and I go red. And that is the Chinese character 4. Thank you for listening to this podcast.